spirit of Valentine, we're going to create this flyer. It's a Valentine church flyer. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first thing I want to do is to get the image that we're going to be using, and then these other words and every other thing here. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to change these old guys to a red. So let's go and make it red. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and get all the words that I need to type. That's very, very important. Alright, so I'm getting the church logo, which is this guy here. Alright, then I'm getting this guy also. Alright, let's put it right here. Alright, for the background, we have this. So I'm just going to stretch it like this and bring this to the front. Then this guy here, I'm going to faint it, like I'll reduce the opacity like this. Right, you can darken it a little. Right, then I'm going to bring this guy here. I'll make it white and I'll bring it to the front. Alright, don't forget to like this video. Please share it with your friends so that more persons can actually benefit from it. Alright, so I'm bringing it. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to bring this to the front now, like this. Okay, so it says love and relationship conference. So love and it's going to be together. We're going to use a long fold like B-bands. Alright, newer. Yes, we'll make it bold. Okay, we just stretch it out like this and we internalize it. Because of that, we'll have to use padding, okay, to bring out this. Right, the color we're going to change it to yellow. It should be a very sharp yellow like this. Right, copy it, love and relationship, or does it say love and marriage? Love and marriage conference. Okay, so this is going to be white. Right, you can copy this and put this guy here. Okay, then we'll reduce it. Okay, so let's say again. Alright, so we're going to bring a shape. The shape is going to be circle like this. I'm going to remove this guy. I'm going to bring this guy in. The color of the stroke is going to be white. Okay, alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more like this. So I'm going to put this guy here. I'm going to centralize it. Alright, so I'll bring another one again like this. Then I'm going to edit it. In editing it, I'm going to reduce the stroke line. Alright, so maybe let's bring it here. Bring it here like this. Alright, so reduce this. Maybe two is too much, and then you would come over here and then you centralize it also, and take it to the top. Alright, so just lock both like this, Then try to adjust everything that is here inside this guy. Alright. Okay, so that's that. Then we can bring this where are you? Can bring this guy to the front. Alright, so we come over here and we'll type in Grace of God Church. Okay, so we're just going to reduce it there. Alright, we'll just adjust this. Okay. Alright, so don't forget to like this video. Alright, so right here you see the way the inscriptions and every other thing are done, the theme, the date. So for the name of the pastor, we'll use this guy here. Right. Okay, so we have it there. Then for the theme we can use a shape here. So just write the theme there like this. Theme. Then go and add a background to it. This background here. Right, you can select this, but you can also extend this a little. That's 14. Alright, so I'll make it bold. Okay, so we can reduce this one now. Alright, so the theme is going to be one of these. Alright, just change the color to maybe black or so. Yeah. It's not good for a man to be alone, so put it there. That's the tip. Okay. We'll just also make it bold too. Alright. I think it is even interlaced. Right here we're going to put host. Alright, we're using a yellow color for it. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the name of the pastor there. Apostle McLean. Apostle Marco John. It's not a rename, it's just right. So the next thing is gonna be 14th of February, 6 p.m. So I'm gonna bring this here. Alright, this happened to be the time. I'm gonna stretch it out a little. Then I'm gonna copy this and put it there. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the background and I'll remove it and I'll change the color to black. Alright, so the next is going to be the address. I have it here already. I'm going to bring it to the front like this. I will change the color to black. Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I'm going to move this everything up here. Okay. Alright, this is going to come here. I'm going to copy this guy out. I'll make this bold. Alright, I'll reduce this. I want it in 2 lines. Alright, so I'm going to copy this and put it here. So I'm not going to put any icons at this one. You can go ahead and fix those icons because I don't want this video to be more than maybe 12 minutes. Alright, so here we have it. If you wanted to add some more alright, we could just add this. Alright, we could just add this and then maybe put it at strategic parts of this design. Let's reduce this. Alright, so when you are done, you can go ahead and click here, save your project. Okay. My name is Ni Amuda, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And tell me where you are watching from. I'd like to know.